What is up, guys? Madman12 here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a PC game called Emergency 2012. Here's the front cover. And here's the spine. And here's the back. This is like almost kind of like a StarCraft game where you got to control like the ambulances. And it's like all these different events that happen. So I do have the first emergency game, and here's the first emergency game. It's called Emergency Fighters for Life, and I bought this game a long time ago. Here's the back of the screenshots, so you can see there it's kind of similar. So the 2012 version is supposed to be, I guess, with better graphics. And then I have Emergency 2, The Ultimate Fight for Life. It says 25 exciting missions, including taking out a terrorist threat, rescuing the president, and more. Here's the back of these screenshots. And I have both these games for quite some time. It's pretty old. So let's get Emergency 2012 unboxed. Alright, so the plastic is off. Let's get it open. And upon opening it, you have the 2012 DVD here with nice artwork. And to the left, you have a pamphlet. For the very first time, I can't believe this, they actually have something that's called Master Cook. That's pretty nice of them. And this right here, the back of it tells you about installing the program. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. There's really nothing else to it. But I'm kind of bugging out with this. They actually a game that's giving you something to eat healthy. I mean, that's incredible. You gotta love that. Anyway, so that is it for Emergency 2012. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.